Can you do happy feet for mommy? Stand up. Stand up. Stand up and do happy feet. Can you? Oh, you want to go night night, Sophia? Can you do mambo?
Mambo.
Can you pretend like you're doing happy feet? They good? Please, can you do happy feet with your new shoes? Will you be mommy's little penguin? Stand up.
No. Sit down. Sit down, mommy. Here's mommy.
Are you tired? All right, ready? Happy feet. Go, go. All right, happy feet. Go. Sophia. All right, mommy's turning the camera off. Happy feet. Happy feet. Stay there. Stay. Happy feet. Can you do happy feet, please? Pretty please. Look. Pretty please. Look, mommy's taping you. Sophia. All right, I'm turning it off. Bye-bye, camera.
Grandma.
Do happy feet. Happy feet. You do it. Don't eat that rock. I will put you in timeout. Timeout. Do you have it in your mouth?